everybody, welcome to another edition of Jane's Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. I just have a quick unboxing for you today, but before we get started, just want to say hello to all my new subscribers and hello to my current subscribers, and just wonder how you're all doing today. If you get a chance and don't mind, if you want to just put it in the comments, just want to be a little more interactive if possible. I just really appreciate this community and the people in it, and just want to say hello and not just rush right into whatever it is I'm going to unbox or talk about or anything like that. So today's unboxing probably won't take very long, so I figured that I'd just say hello and say that I really am interested in how you're doing today and hope this finds you doing well. So today I have an unboxing, as you can probably tell by the look of it. It is from Fashionphile. One of the reasons I wanted to unbox this is I got it, and not that it's heavy, but it feels like it's heavier than it should be for what it is. So maybe there's like a Fashionphile dust bag. Well, there's always a Fashionphile dust bag in there, and maybe there's like a factory dust bag. I mean, you know, from the thing. Words are hard. From the brand, maybe there's their dust bag and maybe a box. I mean, to be 100% honest, I don't remember even what all came with this. And the reason is that I was looking at this, and occasionally I show my husband things that I'm looking at, and, you know, frankly, he could probably care less. And he is funny, though. He thinks he's hilarious, like when he'll come downstairs. Like, I usually watch TV, YouTube, in my living room, and he has his own little man cave upstairs. And so he'll come downstairs and he'll be like, oh, is that Minnie for Minx for All? Oh, that's Winnie BLB, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this. Oh, or, you know, is that Gwenny, or, you know, Yoda? And it's just really funny. He'll just ask me, you know, he's starting to know who Dawn is, and it's just cute. It's just funny that clearly I have the channels on enough, and that he is now starting to know people by their voices, even though he does not see them, which I think is interesting. I'm still opening up the box here. It's nice and secure. I will say that for Fashionphile, boy. And this one came from Chelsea. I have heard a few people say they don't usually think they're maybe packaged as well when from there, but to be honest, I've never had any issues. So let's hope this isn't one. And as you can see, I probably should have a box cutter, because me and the scissors, am I making some of you nervous as I'm doing this? Like, where I'm like, oh, hope she doesn't slip and do that. I know how to handle the scissors. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, I do sew, but that has nothing to do with the scissors. Well, I mean, it does, but okay, bad tangent. Okay, so I have gotten it open. Kind of. There we go. Okay, so you can see what I mean. Okay. Here's the box. This is the item. So I was just really surprised. There's a lot of stuff in here, but honestly, just a lot of paper. And of course, everybody's favorite confetti. And by that, I mean, I don't know that it's anybody's favorite confetti anymore. And I love when they do this. So this is actually in a box, but used as the new. When you open it, it's so funny because they put the box in the dust bag. I don't know why that's funny to me. It just is. Do they put other boxes in dust bags? No. Usually the items in a box, in the dust bag, in a box, not dust bag covering the box. So this came with a box. And it is something from, you know this box, it's Gucci. I don't know that I ever thought I was a Gucci girl. I mean, the first time I ever bought anything luxury, because in my state they don't sell luxury, I went to a Nordstrom's and I bought three things. I bought a wallet from Prada, a wallet from Gucci, and a Chanel bag. And I liked what I got from Gucci. It's just a plain wallet with the webbing on the front, the GGs. But I don't know, their stuff just really didn't speak to me a whole lot. And I only have a few things from Gucci, but I am telling you, like, well, okay, so let's say, scratch that a little bit. I bought, when they had those pastel colors come out, I loved the green. I bought the green little camera bag. I think it's camera bag, and I do like it, don't get me wrong, and the silver hardware is awesome, and it's puffy, and it feels good, and all that, but it's still, as much as I like that piece, the brand still didn't excite me. And until they came out with something that I just went gaga over, and still am. So I got the Gucci monogram in the colored pieces. Now you might be saying, I thought you already had one of those, because yeah, I do. I have another one of these. And well, first off, I have a bag in the green here. I absolutely adore that bag. It's phenomenal. Marmont bag, no heart on the back, so we're all good there. Silver hardware. It is gorgeous. So then I bought a wallet to go with it, and love the wallet. Love Gucci's wallets. And so when this one came up, I had to get it. I'm going to say because, something else I'm getting is kind of tied to this, but I'm not telling you what. But you'll see it when I unbox it. But this one, the whole thing, it has to do with my husband. So when you open this up, well, first off, when you turn it around, look at this yellow. Like, where was this? Where were the yellow bags like this? Where was anything yellow? I've seen the blue, I've seen the green, I've seen the red, I've seen the pink, I've seen the whole mix in a little bag, but I have not seen the yellow. And then all of a sudden, bam, here's a yellow. I love the yellow, but look at this too. Look at this. I would say this is like an orchid color, maybe a pinkish purple. This is just awesome. So the wallets, this looks like it would be a pocket and back, but it is not. But it does have a spot for your bills. And then it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, again, words are hard. I just got done with work, I'm tired. 3 slots here for cards, 2 slots here for cards, plus and back, and then there's a coin spot where you can undo your coins. This thing was in very good condition. It is very nice. It's like new. It's beautiful. It's got the silver hardware, which I love. So this will go perfect in my green bag, and it will go perfect in maybe something else that I will soon have. But I'm not going to tell you what that is yet. Again, I said that. Okay, done. The reason that this was important, though, and I even brought out my husband, was I was showing him this, and he knows how much I love that green Gucci bag and how much I love Gucci wallets. I have that Mini Minx for All showed a pink one, a hot pink, and I looked forever for that and went into some Gucci outlets, couldn't find it. Finally got it on Fashionphile. I'm telling you, when it comes up, I've only seen it 1 or 2 other times. Snap these up. These are so good. But anyways, so I bought a couple other Gucci wallets, but so anyways, when he saw, I got the green bag like this, I got the other wallet like this, and he knew that I just absolutely adored those items. So he came down by me one night, and I'm like, oh, look at this. I'm like, they have this, and it even has yellow on the back, and I've never even seen yellow before. And then look at the interior. I mean, it's not the red, it's not, it's this, anything purpley, like I said, gets me too. It's so neat. And then he said, well, would you like that? And I'm like, well, of course I'd like that. And he's like, all right, here you go. I'll take care of this. And he bought it for me. And I couldn't believe it. Other than a card holder from Aspinall of London and a little ring, like jewelry box from Tiffany, he's never bought me anything luxury. He just doesn't do that. I know some people's significant others buy them things. I buy everything myself. And do I ever foresee him buying me a bag? No, no way on earth. I just don't think he ever would. But so it's even more special because I know that it's just not something he would normally do. So, and I like doing it for myself, don't get me wrong, but I don't mind me finding something that I really like, it not being a good time to get it, and then him grabbing it for me. So I just love it. Again, it comes with a box, just so you can tell. You've probably already seen this already, but I absolutely love this too. I mean, it's got all the little Gucci booklets and just the little dust bags. I'm sorry, these are just so cute. And the inside of the box is like that too. So that's what I have for you today. I'd like to thank you so much for watching. If you're subscribed, thank you. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I would love it. I'd love to have you here. And again, right back from the beginning, let me know how you're doing today. Just let me know how it's going. It's a Tuesday. So it's not a Monday, but it's not a Friday. And yeah, just would like to know how you're doing. I want to let you know too that I put on video for the last time. Words are hard. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I'm also over on Instagram. You can find me at Jamie, JAMMIEJ23. So if you ever see Jamie J23 over there, that's me. I do, again, just want to thank you. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thanks for watching. Bye.